Already on. My favorite part of the day. Absolutely class. Handshake. Very good. Damn, no one showed up. Never mind. Yeah, careful. Oh, chocolate milk. Is that really chocolate milk? I don't know. Is that really chocolate milk? Or is that something else?
I mean, I did, but I stopped like last year.
I like him. Oh, I never gave you one. That was pretty gay. Alright. Morning. Is it morning or in the afternoon?
Afternoon.
Oh, it's already night?
Bro, that was me.
Which one?
I was walking and I was like,
Ready now?
Let's see Star Wars skills.
ready, Johnny?
Yeah. Oh, Pink Leo. Wait. Oh! Hey, I didn't record. I'm kidding. I did. It's still recording.
You're gonna get views with that.
Hey, this is gonna be on. Oh. Hey, that's gonna. Hey, that carrot scene alone is gonna be in 433. Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, the.
Yeah, they count 433. Should I send it to them and see if it makes it in? Yeah. All right.
You're gonna be like, no tienes balón?
Hey, when you got nothing to do at lunch.
Yeah, closer, Johnny.
Johnny,
Oh. Yeah.
go get closer.
You made me miss that.
Open the shade.
Yeah, but you told me.
That's because these are new advanced boxes.
They're too advanced, they're tao.
Ooh. Hey, comida. Food review. Nice.
What was it?
God.
Oh, I got the can.
Right there. Yeah. Good morning.
Shut the up, kid. Damn, put him up, about to slap you. Hold up, I think it's like that.
What are you doing?
What the hell?
Double jointed.
What the f? It's like.
Oh my God.
Ready?
Blocked it, denied.
Hey, let me see the new one. Let me see the new one.
Catch it, Johnny. Catch it.
Hey, Johnny, look. They're new.
What is that?
For new AirPod.
Oh, those are sick.
No, I can't wait.
You want to put it back in?
Stay wait. Oh.
The content?
Bro, how much money do you make, bro?
Like 0?
Oh, look.
Make
Oh, they're shorter though. Oh, that's whack.
That's not
the
bad.
newest one.
That's
They're
better.
shorter. That fucked them up. No, they look ugly.
Like that food right there?
that just looks weird since it's so short.
Bro,
Oh,
from an angle's like, whoa, and now when you get closer.
they're badass, but that just kind of makes it look weird.
Bro, that shit was shit on me. Good.
Oh, I guess that somebody wants one of those foods. Like they want a 1v1 in a fight. Alex. Oh, I don't know who, but now they want to.
Oh, shit. Is this good? Is this good content?
This is good content. Double.
Shut up.
Hey,
record
those
I'm just a United fan.
Record those idiots.
Hey, this is good content.
Wait.
Better not.
I should put my back down.
Is it? Haha. It's probably stupid. Hey, isn't that a falcon? Isn't that a falcon? These birds aren't representing Jupiter, huh? I know what they are, but they're representing Jupiter.
Give me a Richie. I'm gonna get that for back.
Hey, they soar with pride. Hey, double. Get away. Hey, get something. Get a carrot.
You're good as fuck.
Hey, that's a nice one.
That's what they get for almost shitting on you.
Oh, they're gone.
Hey, Byron.
Oh, I don't know what the. Hey, yo, what the? It's trying to get shit on.
Campos, no? Oh no, yeah, that's not good. That's not good.
This guy wants to get dugged on.
We're not gonna eat them.
Why are you tripping your deadles, fool?
Wait.
You were laying on your stomach. You were laying on your back.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's because he got a reputation. Keep going. You kicked that, didn't you? All right, go on. And action. No. Action.
We're recording?
I am.
I'm not gonna do it because this is recording.
If you're an accent, I'll jump in the puddle. Alright. So I'm outside alone again. Outside for the first time. Well, not really open at school. But as you can see, I'm a weird, sleepless. I don't know. It's 7 in the night. I don't know what to do. I could probably. This thing. That thing opens. That's pretty heavy. And it's a tundra. I don't know what to do. I could probably show you my. Sorry, guys. PS4 box. It's dusty already, but nobody cares. You're just here to see content, but I'm not giving you guys good content. No, hurts. But if you're weird like me, going outside without a sweater, I don't know. I'm just trying to entertain you guys, but nothing seems to work. Nothing at all seems to work. Whatever. But as my good cousin will say, gotta hammer it. Alright, peace out. I'm just kidding, no cousin ever told me to hammer it. Don't let your cousins hammer. If you guys know a guy who knows how to do good hammering, don't hire them, you better hire me. If I could hammer, I could show you hammer stunts right now. Jack-o'-lantern. I hope I jack you up. Come on. I'll give you content. Point. All right. I never broke your face, have I? Get lost. Beautiful moon, eh? The moon will tell you to subscribe. Good night.